Hi there, my name's Brian and this is A Red, Red Rose by Robert Burns. Oh, my love's like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love's like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. As fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I. And I will love thee still, my dear, till a' the seas gang dry. Till all the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. And I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands o' life shall run. And fare thee weel, my bonny lass, and fare thee weel a while. And I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 mile.